For years, portable gaming has been a series of heartbreaking compromises. We took what we could get: handhelds that stuttered the second a modern title loaded up, devices with battery lives that barely survived a short commute, or oversized bricks that felt like holding a concrete block after 20 minutes of play. We settled for low frame rates, muddy textures, and the constant, nagging anxiety of hunting for a wall outlet. The industry told us that true desktop-class performance could never truly fit in the palms of our hands. Welcome to the absolute bleeding edge of portable power, the Asus ROG Ally 2. If you thought the handheld revolution had peaked, prepare to tear up everything you thought you knew. Asus didn't just go back to the drawing board for this release. They completely dismantled the blueprint. The ROG Ally 2 is engineered to obliterate every single limitation that held its predecessors back, delivering an uncompromising, console-melting powerhouse designed for players who refuse to tether their gaming lives to a stationary desk. Let us be entirely honest about where the handheld market has been stalling. The original wave of portable Windows devices cracked the door open, but they left us frustrated. Battery drain was too fast, thermals ran too hot, and raw performance under heavy AAA loads left enthusiasts wanting more. Competitors tried to catch up, but the ecosystem was waiting for a genuine paradigm shift. A machine that bridges the chasm between a high-end desktop rig and a true pocket-sized console. Asus took every single community complaint, every forum thread, and every piece of critical feedback, and funneled it directly into the development of the Ally 2. Let us look at what happens the second you wrap your hands around this machine. The ergonomic overhaul is immediately striking. Asus has completely sculpted the chassis, introducing deeper, contoured rear grips inspired by elite controllers that lock into your palms with absolute security. No more hand cramps during marathon sessions. No more awkward weight distributions. The balance point is mathematically dialed in, making the device feel like an organic extension of your body. And then you power it on. The display is an absolute masterclass in visual fidelity. We are looking at a hyper-responsive panel pushing buttery smooth high refresh rates that bring motion clarity to an entirely new dimension. Fast-paced shooters, sprawling open-world RPGs, and chaotic racing titles render with zero ghosting and eye-melting color accuracy. Every blade of grass, every ray of neon light reflecting off a wet cyberpunk alleyway, and every distant horizon pops with a vibrant, hyper-realistic depth that makes looking away physically difficult. But a gorgeous screen is meaningless if the silicon beneath it cannot handle the heavy lifting. Under the hood lies the true monster of the system. The next-generation architecture spearheaded by the formidable AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor. We are talking about a brutal 36-watt, 8-core processing beast paired with staggering amounts of high-speed memory, scaling up to mind-boggling configurations like 64 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. Let that sink in for a moment. That is more memory and processing muscle than most standard gaming laptops sitting on desks today. You can fire up the most graphically demanding, unoptimized AAA titles on the market, crank the settings, and watch the Ally 2 chew through it without breaking a sweat. Stuttering frame rates? Gone. Memory bottlenecks? Eradicated. And Asus didn't stop at raw hardware performance. They completely re-engineered the thermal cooling matrix. Dual fans optimized with fluid dynamic bearings pull air through redesigned intake channels, keeping the chassis cool against your skin, even when the processor is running at maximum capacity. Best of all, it maintains that performance without screaming at you, keeping acoustic noise down to a discreet whisper. Let us talk about versatility, because the I/O configuration on the Ally 2 has been built for total dominance. With dual top-mounted USB Type-C ports, your connectivity options are limitless.